Hey, in this video, I'm showing you my micro MREs. In a previous video, I showed you my small MRE and my mini MRE. You'll find a link in the description for that video. This is my Energy Boost micro MRE. This container was purchased at a place called Daiso. It's about 2 inches tall, 4.5 inches in length, and 3.25 inches wide. And this is the smallest MRE that I have so far. It's more of a traditional MRE because you have to provide your own water for a beverage. This container was purchased at Grocery Outlet Bargain Market for just a few dollars. It's about 1.5 inches tall, 4.25 inches in length, and about 3.25 inches wide. The Energy Boost Micro MRE. First we have some crackers. You'll find a link in the description showing you where to get these crackers. These are my go-to crackers for carbs. For a beverage, you have a 5-hour natural green tea, peach flavor. It's 1.93 ounces. I purchased this from Walgreens. It does contain caffeine. And as a backup, if you do have a bottle of water, you can make your own lemonade beverage. For protein, this is a 12-gram protein bar. It has 3 egg whites, 14 peanuts, 2 dates, and it's a peanut butter and berry flavor. 1.83 ounces. I purchased this from Walgreens. All these items are shelf stable. The best buy date on this one is 2020. And I also have a Hershey's milk chocolate bar mini. A little sugar. And lastly, a paper towel or napkin. This is my DIY Energy Boost Micro MRE. Next is my DIY Micro MRE, which is more of a traditional MRE because it does not contain any ready-to-drink beverage. And with all my previous MREs, I prefer to include a ready-to-drink beverage. First is a napkin. Next is a RX bar. It's a 12-gram protein bar. This one has 3 egg whites, 6 almonds, 4 cashews, and 2 dates. It is a chocolate sea salt flavor bar, and it's 1.83 ounces. This was purchased at Walgreens. The Best By date is 2020, January 18. Next is my favorite package of crackers for carbs. And lastly, because it does not include a ready-to-drink beverage, this is a lemonade drink mix. So these are my DIY micro MREs. This is my Energy Boost micro MRE. And this is more of a traditional MRE because you need to provide water or your own beverage. Now I know you might be thinking that these are just snacks that I put into a food container, and in a sense they are, but I make sure that all of my components are shelf stable and they should last several months to over a year. So you can leave these micro MREs in your backpack, in your car, in your desk drawer at work. So if you ever do run into a situation where you do need some food, you have it, and it doesn't take up a lot of room. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please like and subscribe if you found this video helpful. Also, please consider donating to my channel so I can make more videos for you. I really appreciate your support, and have a great day.